Hi, welcome. My name is Michael and I work with BMW of Bridgewater. Standing behind me today is a beautiful 440 X-Drive Grand Coupe. And today we're going to be testing out some car cleaning products. First up today is going to be window cleaner, primarily designed for glass. However, if you get a little overspray on the paint, not to worry at all. It's perfectly safe for paint. You could also use it to shine up your headlights as well. Now you might not be able to see, but New Jersey winters have not been kind. This windshield is filthy and needs to be cleaned. So we're going to spray a little bit on, circular motions, let it get sudsy, flip over, polish dry. Don't forget underneath, wipe around, switch to a fresh side, and then it'll streak-free dry itself. Now we're moving on to the wheel cleaner. This is formulated so it'll turn red as it pulls away the dirt from the rim itself. In order to do this, very simple, you just give it a good spray, get on the inside of the drum, its entire surfaces, don't forget the wheel holes. And then you're gonna let this sit for 3 to 5 minutes and it's gonna turn red and it's actually gonna be pulling away the grit, the grime, all the road debris from the actual rim itself. You can use this really at any time, but you want to be able to wash it off after those 3 to 5 minutes are up. Something that I used to do personally was spray this on a few minutes before I took it to the car wash, or if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you do it at home, same deal, spray it, give it a few minutes, come back to it, wash it clean. Now it's been about 5 minutes and as you can see, the wheel has totally changed color. Now this is the point where you're going to wash it off. Ideally, you would want to use a pressure washer or maybe a hose. Unfortunately today, we just have a little pail, but I'll show you that all you need to do once it gets to this point is just douse it with plenty of water. The rest you can wipe off with a microfiber towel and your wheels will be looking spit spot and new. Now you might notice it did not take everything off, but what it will do is make it so easy to get whatever's left with just a microfiber towel. A few minutes later and I'll be able to show you exactly what it looks like when we're all said and done. Now we're going to be using the leather cleaner. This comes out in a sort of a foam. This is safe to use on natural leather as well as synthetic leather or leatherette. So we're just going to spray it on. We want to be kind of evenly. As you can see, it foams quite a bit. Going to get it as even as possible. Now we're going to take a damp cloth and we're just going to spread it around nice and even. Get all the surfaces, clean up all the overspray. Use a little bit of elbow grease for those stubborn stains. And then we're gonna switch to a dry side and we're gonna wipe it clean. So the first leather product that we used is a cleaner. Now this takes it a step further. Like all things, they can dry out and begin to rot. This is a leather cleaning and conditioning kit with UV protection that is designed to fight the aging process with leather to keep it looking fresh, moist, and new for as long as possible. I use this on my own personal car, and 12 years on, the leather looks the same day it came out of the factory in 2008. In this kit, it comes with 3 sponges, disposable towels, and the conditioner itself. To use this, you can dilute it if you want, although it's not necessary as it's safe to use right out of the bottle. You're going to take it on a rag, you're going to apply a little bit. It's going to come out like this, just like conditioner you would use for your hair. We're going to wipe it on, and you can easily see that this leather is just drinking up this conditioner. Now keep in mind, this is not particularly a cleaner, but a conditioner. Think of the first step as a shampoo, and this is what's going to moisturize the leather, and some of the chemicals and the treatment inside this particular conditioner are going to protect it from the damaging UV rays of the sun. Now, you know something in your life that you think you can do without, and then the second you get your hands on it, you know you can't? That's exactly what this is. Gone are the days when you're breaking your elbow trying to clean the windshield. All you got to do is take this, apply its little skirt, spray it, gotta make sure it's on, spray it a couple times, and it's so easy. You're able to get all the way down, all the way down. You can go around the entire car. This makes windshields and back windows a breeze. Trust me, once you get your hands on one of these things, you're never gonna wanna let it go. Now, as we move back to the exterior, we have an Express Wax. Just spray it onto a clean surface. Think of this as a final touch. You're not gonna wanna do this on a dirty car, but after you're done cleaning, this will help seal, protect, and really bring out that shine and really make the paint pop. Last but not least, I have an all-purpose interior cleaner. This is something you're gonna use to treat the trim, the plastics, the door handles, you name it. Just gonna get this, apply it to a little rag, and just wipe down whatever area you feel needs the attention. We'll come back in a couple minutes and I'll show you the aftershock. All right, we're all finished up wiping down the door. Feels nice and smooth, not sticky at all. Your hand glides right over it. Same thing with the trim. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to check out BMW of Bridgewater and come check out and purchase some of our car care products. Thank you. Take care.